Welcome everybody to break 4674. This is our 1718 Splendor 4-box break from a fresh case. Gonna run 3 teams for you. Anaheim is GL Chung, Arizona is Braden, Boston is Jeebus, Buffalo is Rubber Bumper, Calgary's Rubber Bumper, Chicago is Jeebus, Colorado is Stock Exchanges, Columbus and Dallas are Bernie G, Detroit is Westby, Edmonton is Barkov 16, Florida is Jeebus, Las Vegas is GL Chung, Los Angeles is Zast, Montreal is Big John, Nashville is GL Chung, New Jersey is Joshua Cooper. The Islanders is Junior, the Rangers is J-Sup, Ottawa is Rubber Bumper, Philadelphia is Jay, Pittsburgh is Jeebus, San Jose is Bernie G, St. Louis is Big John, Tampa is Dylan, Toronto is Antonio, Vancouver is GL Chung, Washington and Winnipeg are Antonio. All right, at the end of this break, just as a bonus, we're going to give you away one of these Fall Expo Black Packs to one lucky participant. All right, let's open up our box, number our boxes, and see which ones we're going to use in this break. I should have a 12-sided dice over here. Just need to find it. Here it is. All right, so we're going to roll the 12-sided die here and figure out which boxes we are going to use in this break. My 7 needs work. All right. Well, we'll add a bit of a line to our 7. There you go. How's that? Better? All right, so this die rolls really easily. So, all right, so we got to pick 4 boxes. Here we go. 8 is the first one. 6. Focus isn't focus very well on that, but 6. 2. And 1. Box number 1. So 1, 2, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 6, and 8. So put these ones aside for future breaks. All right, here we go, everyone. Good luck. 4 boxes of Splendor. Nerd dice. It's handy. All right. We start off. This was, I don't know which box this was. This was number 8. For the Ottawa Senators, 32 out of 36. Nice borderless auto patch of Erik Karlsson. Nice hit for the Sens. There you go, Rubber Bumper. Erik Karlsson. 36. Very nice. All right, next one is number 6. We have for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Splendid signatures of Patrick Marleau. Patrick Marleau. Splendid signatures. Nice hit for Toronto. Congratulations. This is number 1 now. Box number 1. Wow. That is pretty sweet. And is he in the room? He is. Check this out for the Montreal Canadiens, number 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. Premium material cut signature of Jean Beliveau. Congrats to Montreal. And who had Montreal? Big John 42. Congratulations. That is a beaut. Nice material piece in there. Jean Beliveau, 2 out of 5. Cut signature. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Congrats, Jean. That is sweet. All right, and our final one is the number 2. Very nice as well. This one for the Colorado Avalanche. Number 27 out of 27. Black and white. Looks like a piece of the stick or pad. I'm not sure. Maybe the glove even. 27 out of 27 for Colorado. Black and white. Auto Patrick Waugh. Very nice hit for Colorado. Patrick Waugh. 27 out of 27. Nice 4 boxes. Wow. All right, there we go, boys and girls. That concludes break number 4674. I have one giveaway to do of a black pack. So I do it without Carolina and Minnesota, because they don't have teams. So Carolina didn't have a team, and Minnesota doesn't have any teams. All right, so 29 teams in here for the black pack giveaway. And I'm down to Winnipeg. Here we go. 4 times for the black pack. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, and final time. Good luck, everyone. 4. To the Colorado Avalanche. Congratulations. Colorado, and that is Stock Exchanges. Very nice. All right, that concludes break 4674. Thanks, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it.